Breeze Online TV, the world comes to you.
For setting aside time to come and visit Sokoine University of Agriculture. Please, when going back, a great history to freedom fighters of the Republic of South Africa. We are very delighted by your visit, Your Excellency, and your presence here today not only shows how much you value the contributions of the fallen comrades who pioneered the liberation of the Republic of South Africa, but also cements the bond between our two great nations that was established by our great leaders, the late Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere and the late Nelson Mandela. I would also like to thank Honorable Kassim Majaliwa, the Prime Minister of the United Republic of Tanzania, for accompanying you, Your Excellency, in your visit to Sokoine University of Agriculture. Thank you very much, Honorable Kassim Majaliwa. To other delegates and guests from both Tanzania and South Africa, you are warmly welcome to Sokoine University of Agriculture, and indeed, your presence today here is a great honor and a blessing to us. Thank you all for being here. Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, you are here at Solomon Mahlangu campus, which was once the ANC School for the Exiled South Africans in Tanzania by the name of Solomon Mahlangu Freedom College, which is popularly known as SAMAFCO. Having served its purpose, the ANC handed over the SAMAFCO facilities to the government of United Republic of Tanzania in 1992. And after the collapse of apartheid regime in South Africa, we Tanzanians value this good gesture from our friends from the Republic of South Africa, which is a heritage that symbolizes our solidarity and friendship. Since then, we have proceeded to develop the campus by renovating all its infrastructure and building new ones, all of which are named after great South African freedom fighters, and the Vice Chancellor has given us some of the names which are used in the buildings. All this is to make sure that the history of our good friendship remains intact and to give room for the new generation to appreciate where we came from. Your Excellency, the Solomon Mahlangu campus is now part and parcel of Sokoine University of Agriculture, which offers undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs. Our vision is to continue to expand the campus by adding new infrastructure without affecting or modifying the old ones that carries the history of the campus, so as to increase the capacity of the university in terms of admission and to improve learning capacity. Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, as the Minister responsible for Education, Science and Technology, I really appreciate the honor you and your delegation have given us by setting aside your time to visit our institution. Also, Your Excellency, allow me to thank you in advance for the other areas of cooperation that falls under the sector of education we are working on, notably on the teaching of Kiswahili. We are looking forward to collaborating to your vision of introducing Kiswahili as a language of teaching in South Africa. So Tanzania, we are ready to cooperate in that regard. I would like to invite you more and more. I would like to invite more and more bilateral cooperation, even between our universities, so that we continue to cement our historical bonds. Your Excellency, with those few remarks, I once again thank you for you and your delegation for setting aside time to come and visit Sokoine University of Agriculture. Please, when going back to the Republic of South Africa, convey our greetings to our brothers and sisters. Thank you very much.
Kupata habari mbalimbali zinazojiri kila kona ya dunia, tafadhali subscribe, like na ucomment. Breeze Online TV.